What's up, hello cuties? What's up? So yeah, it's Monday. It's my college time, and I am a college student. So yeah, I wanna share my today's story. It's like my manifestation got real. Trust me, manifestation is real, and I am sharing my manifestation story. So it start like that I am a school student and its time started when I was in 12th. I have not proper idea of manifestation, but thoda idhar ka thoda udhar ka, like YouTube shorts like that. I have not proper idea, and even I can't trust easily on manifestation. But then I met someone. She is my didi. It's kind of my move holy didi. And the thing happened is that I was completely attached with her, and currently also I am attached with her. In currently we are not in talking like many regular things, but we are just in month 1 month later or like 2 month later we talk each other, and it seems like वो ऐसा फील होता है जैसे कभी हम इतना गैप के बाद बात ही नहीं करें. इट्स लाइक सिमिलर व्हेन वी आर रेगुलर टॉकिंग और वी आर जस्ट गैप ऑफ टॉकिंग. So yeah, now come to the point. So the thing is that I was no idea what is manifestation is. She introduced me like what is manifestation. She gives me lot of influencer videos and I watch it. I was totally interested in manifestation, and I am trust me, I started manifestation guiding like that. And that so happily thing happened to me. It's manifestation is not only about you just think what you are, what you want to become like that. The thing is that you need to also focus on the things that it also give you a positive vibe. I would say that very completely. And that's the best ever thing, that when I manifest something I feel so positive. I don't know why, what the power is, but yeah, I feel so positive. And that's how my manifestation journey started. And it's 12th class and it's my board time, and I was suffering from TB. But I never stopped manifestation, and I was suffering from TB. I not trust me, I not prepared for JEE mains, and I give my JEE mains because I am see, science student, like PCM student. And for if you are science student, you can relate with me what is value of PCM JEE mains. So yeah. So yeah, JEE mains very important for me. I always manifest. I got 80 percentile, 80 percentile in my JEE mains because I was completely exhausted, and 80% is enough for me for that point. So I manifest like 80%. I got 80%. I am happiest soul. I never chased money chase me. These two affirmations I always use. So money, it's not currently I have, but I am manifestation, it will be in real life. And I would say that, but first manifestation got real. I got exact 80 percentile in my J mains, and that's so fucking like happy. Even I can't trust my eyes that I am seeing my result. I sometimes I thought, no, this is not my result. How this is possible? You want something and you grab it very easily. Even I trust me, मैंने सारे आंसर तुक्के दिए थे, सारे तुक्के. बिकॉज आई वॉज सफरिंग फ्रॉम टी वी. हाउ यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड, जब इंसान बहुत ज़्यादा थका होता है, लाइक बीमार होता है, तो वो वैसे भी नहीं पढ़ता. सो सेम कंडीशन फॉर मी. And I would say that that's the best ever thing I got. And from that day I trust blindly manifestation because it got real, and it will get real. My many things like that. Today I am college student and I am not earning, but I am just using one affirmation that I want to completely chase. I never chase money, money chase me. I attract money. That's how it's really will work, I know. And yeah, if it will get real, it's my 4th year of college. Like last year I am a PTech student. So if it got real, trust me, I make a video and I give proper idea about that what I did and how this is real. Because मैं अभी बोलूँगी तो you can't trust me easily. जब वो रियल हो जाएगी तो मैं आपको बताऊँगी. अभी एक विश पूरी हुई है, ये दूसरी विश है. इफ दिस विल हैपन, ट्रस्ट मी, आई गिव यू कंप्लीट गाइड how I do and what I did. So this will got real. So take care. Love you. Bye bye.